Hello everyone. Let's crack 9th and 10th CBSE with India's largest learning platform Unacademy. Crack all the 10th, 9th and 10th CBSE exams with us. All the top educators are going to teach you the quality content and you are going to have a great learning experience. Are you writing the question bank or not, all of you? Prepare the question bank. It will be very much useful. Please follow me, because whatever the question bank important questions, previous year questions we have discussed till now, next I am doing with these 2 days with NCERT examplers. That is also going to help you in a very great manner. So hello my dear scholars, I am G Vijaya Manorama. As teaching is my passion, I am here. You can find more about me at the rate of Manuvedam 7472. Here it is a super short introduction about me. Let's crack 10 CBSE by using the referral code VMCBSE. Let's crack 10 CBSE by using the referral code VMCBSE. I have done my BSc and B.Ed. I have more than 5 years of teaching experience. As I like to inspire students to set their goals and achieve that, I have mentored many students for NTSC and CBSE board examinations. So crack all the CBSE exams with this India's largest learning platform by taking the Plus subscription. If you take the Plus subscription, you can access the unlimited live and recorded classes from all the India's top educators. Okay, so more than 150 top educators are going to teach you in this platform. So for that you need to take the subscription. So what are the benefits if you take the subscription? Daily live classes you have, structured courses you have, live tests and quizzes, and unlimited access. With one subscription, all the subjects you can get the access of all the subject subscription. So when you are going to use my code, I'll give you a 10% of reduction as instant gift. Reduction gift I'll give you. Okay, so then 1 month course is 2250 rupees, 6 months course it is 9000 rupees, 12 months course it is 13500 rupees, 24 months it is 22500 rupees, and 36 months it will be 28800 rupees. When you are in class 10th, this 12 months course is the best of the best option है, क्योंकि आपका 10th NTSC KVPY ये सारे जो एग्जाम्स है सारे आप क्लियर कर सकते हो अगर आपके कॉन्सेप्ट्स बहुत ही अच्छे हो तो. द फंडामेंटल नॉलेज विच यू आर गोइंग टू गेट हियर, दैट विल गिव यू अ वेरी गुड platform of this KVPY. I like this platform very much because the research base. Okay, research base most nowadays India is in a first position to do all these things. So hope this generation, whoever are you people have lots of knowledge. So once if you qualify this KVPY exam, so then definitely you will get a chance of for research and all. If you are interested, you will get a chance of this researches and all also. There are so many criterias for, but to crack this exam you need to be very strong in the fundamentals. Your concepts must be very strong. So for that, Unacademy is the best platform to learn all those things. Okay, that's why go for this 12 months of subscription, which is very best. So आप लोग तो स्पेशल क्लासेस फ्री अटेंड कर रहे हैं सारे, तो आपको अभी पता चल गया होगा क्लासेस कैसे रहते हैं. सो नाउ उससे भी बहुत ही 100% ज़्यादा बेनिफिट आपको मिलेगा अगर आप लाइव क्लासेस अटेंड करोगे. तो ये सारे इंडिया के टॉप एजुकेटर्स है. फ्यू ऑफ द टॉप एजुकेटर्स आर देयर. These are few of the top educators who are going to teach you in this platform. The comprehensive syllabus of mathematics, social science, Hindi, English and science, which is included with physics, chemistry and bio. We are in touch with the Telegram app also, Quest 10 CBSE. So just you have to type the link in the URL so that all the updates you will get there. तो आपको क्या करना है, अनअकैडमी लर्निंग ऐप आपको इंस्टॉल करना है. इंस्टॉल करने के बाद आपको गोल फॉर CBSE क्लास 10, उसके बाद आपकी बारी है सब्सक्रिप्शन लेने की. जब सब्सक्रिप्शन करोगे वहाँ पे रेफरल कोड मांगेंगे, वो रेफरल कोड VMCBSE यूज़ करके ले लो. ओके, So आज का thought of the day: man needs difficulties in life because they are necessary to enjoy the success. Okay, you need difficulties to enjoy the success because अभी स्कूल नहीं है, ऑनलाइन क्लासेस डिफिकल्ट तो लग रहे ना, तो ऑनलाइन क्लासेस में अच्छी तरह से पढ़ो और अपने सक्सेस को एंजॉय करो. So हम every day we are practicing for so many questions in the form of objectives, in the form of 3 marks and 5 mark questions, 2 mark questions. So as a part of that question bank series, आज का 23rd पार्ट है हम जो डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं, उसमें एनसीईआरटी एग्जाम्पलर्स के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स आप भी डिस्कस करेंगे. ओके, so first question, it is a request to you people that make a question bank, hand written question bank. बच्चों आप बनाओ, हैंड रिटन बनाओ. हैंड रिटन बनाने से आप एक ही बार में 2 काम कर रहे हैं, पढ़ रहे हैं, लिख रहे हैं. और बोल बोल के अगर आप लिखोगे ना, हैंड रिटन नोट्स अगर आप बोल बोल के लिखोगे तो आप 3 बार पढ़ रहे हैं. एक बार देख के, एक बार बोल के, एक बार सुन के, आपका 3 टाइम्स रिवीजन हो जा रहा आपका. इसलिए हैंड रिटन नोट्स बनाओ. स्क्रीनशॉट ले लेंगे मैडम, डिजिटल नोट्स बनाएंगे. देयर इज़ नो यूज़. एग्ज़ाम में आप डिजिटल नहीं लिखोगे, एग्ज़ाम में आप टाइप नहीं करोगे, लिखना पड़ेगा. इसलिए हैंड रिटन नोट्स इज़ द बेस्ट वन. ओके, so what is the role of the 2 conducting stationary brushes in a simple electric motor? Okay, what is the role of 2 conducting stationary brushes in a simple electric motor? What is the motor construction? If you see, like this, ऐसे आपको 2 मैग्नेट्स हम लोग रखते हैं यहाँ पे, नॉर्थ पोल और साउथ पोल. 1 horseshoe magnet which is used, the soft iron core, and the current is passing like this. Current is passing like this, and here यहाँ जो रहेंगे आपको कार्बन ब्रशेस, यहाँ आपका रहेगा. ओके, okay, like this the electricity which it passes, current, when the switch is on, the current passes. So an electric motor is a device which converts the electrical energy into mechanical energy. The carbon brushes, what are the parts present in that? Armature is present, a horseshoe magnet is present, split rings are present, carbon brushes are present, commutators are present. Okay, battery is present and brushes are present. So here what is asked? The role of conducting stationary brushes. Conducting stationary brushes, the role of carbon brushes is to make contact with the rotating rings of the commutator and through them to supply the current to the soil. So the battery which supplies the current to the coil is connected to the 2 brushes. Okay, it is connected to the 2 brushes B1 and B2. Okay, in such a manner that B1 is negative and B2 is B1 is to the negative and B2 is the positive. Like that it is connected, so that when it is rotating, okay, when it is rotating, the battery which supplies the current to the coil is connected to the two brushes B1 and B2. They are connected in such a manner, it is this B1 is connected to the positive terminal and B2 is connected to the negative terminal. The role of carbon brushes to make the contact with the rotating rings of the commutators and through them the supply of the current. So it starts when the current is passed through this, when the switch is on, when the current is passed through this, it starts rotating, and once when it attains a speed, it loses its contact, and completely due to the law of inertia it will increases the speed, and the current is, and it starts working, the motor starts working. So what is the principle behind that? When an electric current is passed through a conductor placed in a right angle to the magnetic field, a force perpendicular to both the magnetic field and the current acts on the conductor. This makes the conductor to move. Here the split rings are present, carbon brushes are present, horseshoe magnet is present, armature is present. These all things together only it works. So what is this electric motor? Electric motor is a device which converts electric energy into mechanical energy. So what is the role of carbon brushes here? Carbon brushes is to make contact with the rotating rings of the commutators and through them to supply the current to the coil. Okay. What is the role of fuse used in series with any electrical appliance? Why should a fuse with defined rating not be replaced by one with a larger rating? Okay, so what is a fuse? Fuse is the most important safety device used for protecting the circuits due to short circuiting or overloading of the circuits. It has a low melting point of 200 degree Celsius. 200 degree Celsius. It has a low melting point of 200 degree Celsius. Okay, it is a short thin wire made up of tin and lead alloy. Okay, the use of this wire to prevent the electric circuit and the appliance from a possible damage by stopping the flow of unduly high electric current. Okay, it is always connected in series, which avoid, when the high current is passed, it will avoid the supply of the current and it will break the melt that fuse part, so that it will break the circuit and it will not damage the appliance. The joules heating that takes place in the fuse melts it into break the electric circuit. So a fuse is always connected in series with an appliance. If it is connected in parallel, then it will not be able to break the circuit and current keeps on flowing. When a fuse with defined rating for a particular appliance is replaced by one with larger rating, then it will not melt as the current exceeds in the wire and short circuiting or overloading may occur, because whatever the replaceable, we should not replace, because whatever the rating, the thin wire only we have to use, whatever the rating, that only we must use. More than that if it is, so excess current it will allow to the appliance and it will lead to the short circuiting or overloading, that will damage, because the excess current it will allow the excess current, because the 5 amperes or 15 amperes only we must allow to the, based on the type of circuit. If it is the lightning circuit, it is 5 amperes. If it is the power circuit, it must be the 15 amperes. If on the 5 amperes circuit, if we apply for the 15 amperes, what will happen? It will allow the more current and it will damage the appliance due to the leading of short circuiting or overloading. Okay, so that's why we should not replace, that's why we should not replace. Okay, next one is, why does a magnetic compass needle pointing north and south in the absence of a nearby magnet get deflected when a bar magnet or a current carrying loop is brought near it? Describe some silent features of magnetic lines of field concept. Okay, so here what is that magnetic compass? When you bring near to the circuit, it will show the deflection, and it will show which is the north part, no? So in the absence of external magnetic field, only Earth's magnetic field act, due to which magnetic compass needle pointing north and south direction. Normally a bar magnet also, if you take, if you align, it will always show the north and south direction, no? Because of the Earth's magnetic field here. Okay, the magnetic compass also shows like that only. Okay, when a bar magnet or a current carrying loop is brought near to it, अगर आप एक मैग्नेटिक कंपास लोगे और सर्क्यूट के पास रखोगे तो क्या होगा? इट विल शो द नॉर्थ एंड साउथ डायरेक्शन, नो? इफ सर्क्यूट के पास रखोगे तभी दिखाएगा, बिना सर्क्यूट के भी वो नॉर्थ एंड साउथ ही दिखाएगा, क्योंकि अर्थ का जो मैग्नेटिक फील्ड रहता है उसके हिसाब से वो नॉर्थ एंड साउथ डायरेक्शन दिखाएगा. So when a bar magnet or a current carrying loop is brought near it, then it produces a magnetic field, due to which magnetic fields of the compass needle and the bar magnet or current carrying loop, they interact with each other, causing a deflection in the needle. Because जब ये magnetic compass आप लाते हो magnetic field के पास, due to the interaction with that magnetic field only, that compass will show the deflection. Okay, what are the silent features? मैग्नेटिक फील्ड लाइंस फॉर्म क्लोज्ड एंड कंटिन्यूस कर्व्स. मैग्नेटिक फील्ड लाइंस कैसे फॉर्म होते हैं? क्लोज्ड एंड कंटिन्यूस कर्व्स फॉर्म होते हैं. ऑलवेज आउटसाइड इट इज नॉर्थ टू साउथ, इनसाइड इट इज साउथ टू नॉर्थ. magnetic line is emerges from north pole to south pole outside the magnet. Okay, outside the magnet, inside it is south to north. मैंने बता दिया पहले ही. Magnetic field lines never intersect each other. They won't intersect each other. Near the poles, the intensity is high. Okay, closer the magnetic field lines represent stronger magnetic field and vice versa. Closer the magnetic field lines represent the stronger magnetic field, and it is vice versa. Okay, here and here also the same thing. मैग्नेटिक फील्ड प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ मैग्नेटिक फील्ड लाइंस यहाँ लिख देने से काफी है. सो एवरी डे 3 to 4 क्वेश्चंस वी आर प्रैक्टिसिंग. बिग क्वेश्चंस 3, 1 स्मॉल क्वेश्चन इज इंक्लूडेड, नो? दैट्स व्हाई 4 क्वेश्चंस आज का भी. ओके, a tiny sessions only of 20 minutes to 30 minutes. Just follow me, all the sessions you just watch. Share with your friends. Definitely this will help you a lot. Before the exams also you can just check your question bank. State and explain the clock face rule for determining the polarities of a circular wire carrying current. According to the clock face rule, we look at one face of a circular wire through which a current is passing. Okay, if a current is passing like this clockwise, if the current is clockwise, it is showing the south magnetic pole. If the current is passing anti-clockwise, it is showing the north magnetic pole. The direction of the current in this phase of circular wire is clockwise. So this phase of circular wire carrying current will act as a south magnetic pole. So the direction of current in this phase of circular wire is anti-clockwise. So this phase of circular wire carrying current will act as a north magnetic pole. So here if you see, if the current around the face of a circular wire flows in a clockwise direction, it is a south pole. Okay. if it is in anti-clockwise, it is north pole. Face of the circular wire is north pole. अगर वो ऐसे दिखा रहा clockwise direction में, साउथ पोल दिखाएगा ऐसे. ओके, करंट हो गया क्लॉकवाइज, साउथ पोल. ऑपोजिट हो गया, करंट हो गया एंटी क्लॉकवाइज, तो ये हो गया आपका नॉर्थ पोल. ओके, ये हो गया आपका नॉर्थ. ओके, So very easy answers. Just try to understand and make a notes. That notes will very much help you. ओके, तो अनअकैडमी ऐप आप लोग को इंस्टॉल करना है. इंस्टॉल करने के बाद PMCBSE यूज़ करके आपको सब्सक्रिप्शन लेना है. PMCBSE यूज़ करके आपको सब्सक्रिप्शन लेना है. ओके, होप यू लाइक इट द सेशन. इट विल बी बेनिफिटेड आई थिंक. सो इसलिए फॉलो मी, वॉच ऑल माई क्लासेस, शेयर विथ योर फ्रेंड्स, लाइक द सेशन. लाइक करने में कंजूसी मत दिखाना. लाइक कर लो सारे और शेयर भी कर लो. ओके, अपने फ्रेंड्स को बोलो कि देखने के लिए. बिकॉज स्टार्टिंग में अगर मैं रोज जो बोलती हूँ, अगर वो भी अभी नहीं देखना चाहते, मिडिल से देखो. हाँ, सारे जितने भी मेरे वीडियो से एक बार आप अपने सारे फ्रेंड्स को बोलो देखने के लिए, तो आपको बहुत ही अच्छा बेनिफिट मिलेगा. बिकॉज पूरा इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस हम डिस्कस कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे. ओके, सो PMCBSE यूज़ करके सब्सक्रिप्शन ले लो. इससे भी ज़्यादा बेनिफिट आपको मिलेगा. 12 मंथ्स का कोर्स ले लो, ये आपका बेस्ट ऑप्शन है. नहीं तो 36 मंथ्स का लो, ये उससे भी अच्छा ऑप्शन है, क्योंकि 800 पर मंथ में आपकी सारी पढ़ाई हो जाएगी. ओके, यू डोंट फॉरगेट माय रेफरल कोड PMCBSE एंड एंजॉय योर एजुकेशन, एंजॉय योर स्टडीज. ओके, चलो 12 PM डेली माई क्लास. डू अटेंड माई क्लास. 9 PM को मैं 9th क्लास का क्लास ले रही हूँ. अपने स्कूल के फ्रेंड्स को, स्कूल के जो आपके जूनियर्स हैं ना, उनको भी बता दो. 9th का फिजिक्स मैं ले रही हूँ यहाँ पे एवरीडे 9 o'clock को, रात को 9 बजे. 12 o'clock को 10th की क्लास. ओके, एंड अनअकैडमी ऐप पे 2 o'clock और 7 o'clock को. ओके, ऑल ऑफ यू फॉलो मी देयर, ज्वाइन मी देयर. ओके, thank you, bye bye, have a nice day.